This 9 on Your Side news update is sponsored by Hawksworth Blood Center, saving lives close to home.
Happy Monday. These are your WCPO 9 on Your Side headlines for Monday, October 15th. Well, one person is looking for a new house after a fire in Mount Adams over the weekend. Fire investigators say it started on the balcony of the house on St. Gregory Street, then spread into the second floor apartment and to the roof. A neighbor reported the fire after smelling some smoke. The fire damaged not only the apartment but also a hair salon on the first floor. Well, later today, the much anticipated meeting between former First Daughter Chelsea Clinton and our very own Fiona will happen. Clinton is coming to the tri-state for a book signing, but has said that meeting Fiona is on her list of other things to do while she's in the city. She tweeted in the past that she has a celebrity crush on the baby hippo. Clinton's book signing is today at Joseph Beth Bookstore on Madison Road. Well, those are your WCPO 9 on Your Side headlines for Monday, October 15th. Follow me on Twitter at RyanWCPO. You can also catch me weekdays at noon on 9 on Your Side. Have a great day.